Ever caught your dog licking their butt and thought, what are they doing? There are three main reasons. First, anal glands. If they feel full or itchy, dogs try to relieve it. If you notice swelling or a strong smell around your dog's anal area, it's time to see a vet. Second, hygiene. Sometimes small dirt or leftover poop makes them lick. Make sure the anal area is clean and check for any wounds, skin irritation, or matted hair. Third, habit. Licking can simply be self-comfort. If it's just sometimes, it's normal. But if it's constant, with swelling or bad smell, that means it's bedtime. Now you know why. Want more dog secrets? Subscribe for Ollie's next adventure.